Stop scrolling traders. This Sunday is not holiday for stock market. If you want to understand why certain stocks suddenly grow, why certain stocks suddenly crash on the budget day, you need to watch for these signals. So these are the 5 signs which makes the stock price grow. When finance minister announces more infrastructure projects like roads, highways and bridges, look for stocks like L&T, KNR Constructions and Ultratech Cement because more government spending means these companies can get massive contracts which equals to future profit. Second is green energy incentives. When you hear the words like solar and power, have a look on stocks like Tata Power, Suzlon Energy and Adani Green because government provides subsidies for these companies which makes cheaper for them to build and grow. Third signal is if finance minister says Atmanirbhar defense, look at stocks like HAL, BEL and Mazdog because instead of buying weapons from abroad, now they are buying from Indian companies. It is direct injection of cash into their businesses. Other signal is if income tax rates are cut down, watch for stocks in automotive sector and FMCG sectors like HUL and Britannia because when people are having more money to spend, they either prefer consumer goods or vehicles, which makes the stock price grow. Bank support. If government puts more money into the banks like SBI and Bank of Baroda, this recapitalization makes the banks stronger and allows them to give more loans and earn more interest. These are the 5 red signals which makes the market fall. Taxes like long-term capital gains and security transaction tax get increased. These investments may look less attractive and investors may shift their capital to gold or real estate. Also, there is a long speculation about increasing taxes on cigarettes. If they increase tax on cigarettes, stocks like Goldfray Philip and ITC may suffer drastic fall. Government increases MSP, companies like Britannia and Nestle may fall because their procurement costs will get increased and their profits will be decreased. Finance minister cuts subsidies on oil and fertilizers, companies like Coromandel may fall because without those subsidies, their fertilizers will be expensive and customer may not buy it. If government plans to borrow too much, watch stocks like HDFC and ICICI Bank because when government plans to borrow too much, it leaves less money for others to borrow, which pushes the interest rate up and Bank Nifty down. Don't just listen to this speech, watch how these stocks react. You will see economy moving in real time. Save this reel for your Sunday and share it with someone who wants to start their investment journey.